Hi everyone, we have a question here from Exponents. The question is from the official question bank of the College Board, and we have to find the value of C, right? Value of C. Now, C is here, okay, in the expression. Now, if you are scared by looking at the question, then I would suggest you to use desmos. Now, on desmos, what will you do? Instead of C, write x. You write 4 power 8x equals to cube root of 4 power 7. It will give you the value of x. Desmos will give you the value of x. Let's do it there. So 4 power 8x, and that's equal to cube root of. So from the keyboard, you can find cube root in functions. Here it is. So you'll write a 3 here to make sure it's a cube root. Cube root of 4 power 7. 4, then power 7. Find your value. This line is your answer. Just zoom in to see what your answer is. Sometimes it doesn't give you the intersection or a point to click on, so you just zoom in to get your answer. Now you see, you have 0.2916, right? So what you will do, you can write this answer. So how will you write the answer? Now that's the thing. Let's go closer, and we only need 5 digits in the SAT exam. Okay, only 5 digits. So you have 0.291. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, and you're done with your answer. This is an acceptable answer. Also, you can write 0.29 2. So 166, you can round off to 2. Okay, 0.292. Acceptable answer. This is also acceptable. Also, you can write the answer starting from a decimal. So you can write 0.2916. This is also acceptable. And then you can also write 0.2917. Okay, like 6, you round off to 7. This is also acceptable because every one of them have 5 digits only. See, one, 5 characters basically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not exceed the 5 characters. Whatever you do, do not do that. Okay. And also, if you're not sure about rounding off, you can round off in the decimal. See, there's a function round. Write your number, what you want to round. So 0.2916666. Rounded it to 0 because we are telling Desmos to round it to a whole number. So if we write a comma, inside the bracket, a comma, and then 4. So this is like telling Desmos round to 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. But if you count, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. So if you round to 3 decimal places, these are 5 characters now, and write this answer 0.292. This is acceptable answer. Or here you can also write 0.2917. Now let's go back and see how we can do it without the help of the Desmos. So far we have seen a few acceptable answers, which are 0.2916, sorry, 0.291. Then we also saw 0.292. We can also write 0.2916 or 0.2917. Now we'll go on and actually solve this. Let me erase this thing here. So first of all, you have a root here and a power here. We will use this identity or the law of exponent, where if you have the nth root and x power m, it is equal to x power m over n. Nth root are the unit fraction. So if you have, like, say, a square root of x, it is same as x power 1 over 2. If you have the 10th root of x, it is same as writing x power 1 over 10. So the roots are unit fractions only. Now, if we take our question, in our case, we have 4 power 8x. What happened? 4 power 8x. Or let us write c instead, because we are doing it algebraically. C will be equal to cube root of 4 power 7. So we'll write 4 power 7 over 3. Now, if you have x power m and that is equal to x power n, your m will be equal to n. Okay? If the bases are same, powers are also same. So we'll do the same thing here. 4 and 4, the base is same. 8c will be equal to 7 over 3. We will divide with 8. C will be equal to 7 over 3 times 8, which is equal to 7 over 24. Now, if you write 7 over 24, sorry, not 28. 28. If you write 7 over 28, how many characters are there? 7 over 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfectly fine answer. You can write this as your answer as well. 7 over 2, 8. Write the slash. Slash and decimal are allowed as special characters, but nothing else is allowed, like comma or anything else. Those things are not allowed. So, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. We are done with the question. And if you have any question that you would like me to solve, please ask in the comment section, or you can reach out to me in the via the email. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye.